Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by downloading Autoruns and running it as administrator. This gives full visibility and permission to change auto starts. Once done, make a system restore point or export the registry key so you can roll back if needed. Open Autoruns and allow the initial scan to finish. It catalogs all logon, service, driver, and scheduled task entries. You want to see the complete list before acting, so wait for the spinner to stop and the columns to populate. Now you analyze results. Prioritize by publisher and image path because those show who signed the file and where it runs from. Once you isolate non-Microsoft entries, enable Hide Microsoft entries to reduce noise and focus on third-party auto starts. When you suspect an item, right-click and choose Jump to Entry or Open File Location, and use the integrated Virus Total Lookup to check reputation. If unsure, disable the entry first rather than to finish, disable suspicious auto starts and reboot to verify system stability. This confirms cause and effect. If everything works, export the final list as a CSV or save the registry changes so you have an audit trail before removing files. Make sure to scan any removed executables with up-to-date antivirus. Trouble: if the system misbehaves after a change, boot safe mode and re-enable the entry or use your restore point. This is the single most reliable recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.